Hey guys, welcome to your channel. We are going to discuss some current affairs objective questions. This will help you pre as well as in mains in forming your concept as well as answer writing fodder material. So question number 1, heat wave is a recent phenomenon frequently pronounced in India. Choose the correct information regarding heat wave. Heat wave is generally declared when actual minimum temperature is above 45 degrees Celsius, yeah, at least 45 degrees Celsius. So let's statement A, heat wave is not considered till a plain and hill station reach temperature of at least 40 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius respectively. Correct. So actually, to announce heat wave, a region in hill area must have to cross at least the minimal temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, and in a plain area it must have to cross the actual temperature of 40 degrees Celsius. Heat wave is declared when actual maximum temperature is 45 degrees Celsius irrespective of normal maximum temperature. Correct. This is quite in news because of climate change and increasing heat wave in some parts of India. Question number 2, which of the following field is not related with international food policy and research institution? It is a non-governmental, a non-profit organization, international organization whose main purpose is to study agriculture, rural development and growing innovative technology in agriculture which can further the benefits of farmers as well as rural development. So it is related with all these three fields: innovation in agriculture, nutrition policy and rural development. Question number 3. Choose the correct statement regarding recent study on crop burning impacts published by International Food Policy and Research Institute. This topic is equally important for mains. It will help to gather further material in your answer regarding air pollution, regarding agricultural technology, or all the agricultural technology, all agricultural method and its impact on climate change. As per this study, the northern states in India which uses crop burning or which use the residues of which use the burning method of residues of crop are highly affected by pollution as well as some acute respiratory diseases. Option A, as per recent study, 5.4% surveyed individuals suffer from acute respiratory diseases in northern India where crop burning happens, in comparison to 0.1% surveyed individuals suffered from the same disease in South India where crop burning does not happen. Correct. In North India where crop burning happens, 5.4% of surveyed individuals have suffered from acute respiratory diseases, while the same percentage is very less for South India where the crop burning has not happened. Option B, Haryana is the most affected state from crop burning under this study. Correct. Question number 4. Choose the correct statement regarding bald quid. It is a surveillance project recently taken in Dhubri district in Assam for observing the trans-border movement between India and Bangladesh, where it is generally inhuman, right from human trafficking to drugs trafficking happen. Drugs and ammunition trafficking happen. So option A, it is an electronic surveillance system taken under Comprehensive Integrated Border Management Program. Correct. Option B, it will surveil the Dhubri district in Assam where India and Bangladesh borderline counters and check the smuggling of drugs and ammunition. Correct. Question number 5. Choose the correct statement regarding National Common Mobility Card. It will equally help to write answers in public administration and other GS2 paper because it is an example of transparency, use of digital technology for more efficient and more transparent administration, as well as it will somehow it is like ease of doing business, right, where various procedural complexities will be removed. This card will actually used by the passengers, same card will be used by the passengers from paying different transport fee, right, toll, bus fare, etc. Option A, also dubbed as One Nation One Card, it will One Nation One Card. It has been developed indigenously with the purpose to pay various transport fee throughout the country with the same card. Correct. It can be regarded as a step of using digital technology for a transparent administration. Correct. Consider the correct statement regarding Métis. It is also important because this community has demanding and urging a protest in Manipur for their inclusion under scheduled tribe. It is a non-tribal indigenous community living in Manipur, correct? Recently, this community has raised voice to include themselves under scheduled tribes, correct? Both options. Question number 7. Choose the correct statement regarding MODI's moderate resolution imaging spectroradiometer. It is a NASA payload actually which observes the whole world for various climatic phenomenon. Option A, it is an imaging sensor launched by NASA through Terra satellite, correct? It is a, MODIS is a payload actually launched by Terra satellite, which observed the whole world in 2-3 alternate days for various climatic and weather phenomenon, atmospheric phenomenon. Option B, it observes the world for atmospheric phenomenon every 2-3 days through various spectral bands, correct? Question number 8. Choose the correct statement regarding Swift software. This is very important for mains and pre as well as because it recently our Reserve Bank has penalized for various banks for not opting up to this technology. It is a very secure technology. Whenever we transfer any money for any bank, in case of international transferring, the both the persons get a message. The technology which transport this message developing a unique code is actually Swift. Standing for Society for Worldwide Interbanking Financial Telecommunication, it is a powerful software which works behind the international money and security transfer generating unique code of messaging for clients. Correct. It is used for managing account holding security as well as behind transferring money. No, this software is only for you messaging. Means when any money transferring is done internationally or worldwide from any bank to other bank, this technology transfers messages to the clients. It is not responsible for a client's for managing clients account or holding any kind of security. Question number 9. Which of the following does not come under money transferring messaging technology used by banks and financial institutions? All the four software comes under this head. Question number 10. Recently, India has signed a declaration to save rhinos with which of the following countries? With all the countries, India has signed a declaration called New Delhi Declaration to save rhinos.